Basically someone stole the van and they've tried ramming onto the pitch, rammed straight through the fence, but whoever it was must have had a lot to drink.
Morning, we're over in Haworth today doing a little domestic job. Something to note really. Loaded up for today, as you see. So we're just stripping this out here. Some old lattice panels. And we're going to be bolting on at the front of the wall, and there'll be a 1.5 metre double-sided paling going there. Gate incorporated here. And then dropping down to a 900 fence, 3 foot, all the way to that corner. So I'll show you the end product later on, so see you soon. Right, we're back here, just another little quick update. So we've bolted all these up, 900, some big thunderbolts bolted into pitch up stone there. We've got one to dig there. Baggy's just going to nip off and get a post. I'm going to start knocking this gate up. Alt gate set up. Had to bolt a met post there, which we don't normally use met posts because of Mickey Mouse. They're good in situations, but they're not ideal. But other than take his flag up and dig one in, we've had to improvise. So got some 2.7s there, all cut down, bolted up, solid. So I'll be back with you later with a finished video. Are you happy with it? Brilliant. Let's do a little video. Good afternoon. Not been on camera for a while, so here we go. A bit rusty. We're over at Oxenoak Primary School. We're doing some more safeguarding. It's day 2. We had a very wet day yesterday. It pissed, well, pardon me French, it rained all day. So we're just doing some perimeter fencing for them. It's a new school working at. We haven't been at this one before. There are the double gates going here, access gates. And then we've run this 2.4 out. It says 2.4 V mesh range we do. We've run that round there. It goes right round there. About 5 panels on there. I'll show you that in a later video. So we've just been prepping down here. We've had to cut a few trees back to get a line down here, but we've got a nice line down there. So that'll get run down to there, and then we're going along there, and then we've got a little single gate to go in. There's about 175 metre to do, so we've had a good day today. Yesterday we were a bit shit, pardon me French, so we've made up for it today. So it's quite a few trees in Wayne. It's a bit difficult getting panels through, but like always we'll get it done. So yeah, I'll be back with you tomorrow, get a final video. We'll probably be back here Monday just to finish off. So yeah, all in all 4 days we'll have it in, so I'll see you soon. Right, morning people. So just continuing on from Thursday where we kicked off. So as I was saying, we're just coming down here with this line now, just getting set up. It's just stopped raining, started again. It's pretty bad up here. We're pretty open to elements, so Baggy's just getting all this tackle off. So we're just, what I was saying is, we're going to continue this line down here. We've got a bit of trimming to do down here. A few trees in as well, just minor ones. So we're just coming down to this wall here. We'll be down to this wall, I'd say dinner time. I'll just show you where we're going with rest at fence. So yeah, we'll be coming a metre off this wall here and then running us 2.4 out down this stretch here, single pedestrian gate there, going past that gate and tighten at a bush. So we're probably back here Monday to finish off. Probably have 30 metre putting in a gate, so we've got a double gate to going up there. We're going to bob that in at the end of the day, let that go off over the weekend. So I'll be back with you later. Right, it's Wednesday. We've just finished a job in an hour. We've just bobbed back. We were short of a panel, so we're just finishing off here. So it's a completion video. Double gates we've installed, 2.4. That is in Baggy. So that top elevation we put in, we're just bobbing that panel on there. You've seen all this before, so I'll show you at bottom what we've done. Glad to see back of this one. We carry all materials through woods, me and Baggy. Nah, I haven't been too bad, to be fair. Right. Kids are already using it, the looks of it. So single gate we've bobbed in there. And then we've run it through to end there. So all in all, a good job. School's very happy, so happy days.